Freelancing versus full-time in tech. The right choice depends on your goals, personality, and stage of career. Here is how to think it through. Full-time employment gives you stability. You get a predictable income, access to company benefits, mentorship opportunities, and a structured career path. It is well suited to people who are earlier in their career and still building depth. Freelancing gives you flexibility. You set your own rates, choose your clients, and control your schedule. Experienced professionals in high-demand areas like cloud, cybersecurity, SAP, and data engineering can earn significantly more freelancing than in permanent roles. But freelancing has real challenges. Income is unpredictable, especially at the start. You are responsible for finding clients, managing contracts, handling taxes, and covering your own benefits. Consider your financial situation. Do you have savings to support 3 to 6 months without guaranteed income, while you build your client base? Consider your experience level. Freelancing rewards specialists. If you are still a generalist, a full-time role may serve you better while you develop a niche. Many professionals do both. They work full-time and take freelance projects on the side. This builds income and experience simultaneously. There is no universally right answer. Choose the path that fits your life right now.